What is going on, guys? This is Andrew from Agency Turnkey. Just wanted to shoot this video for you and show you some of the results that we're getting for a client of ours, a personal injury client of ours out of Colorado. They're looking for long form, qualified personal injury leads, or people that have been, I don't think that's the wording for it, but people who have been in an accident in the last 12 months. They're looking for those type of leads on Facebook. And let's take a look at some of the results. So far, we've gotten 54 leads at $47 a pop, which is pretty impressive. If you've ever been in the legal space with lead generation, you know that these leads don't come cheap, especially personal injury leads at all. So as you can tell, some of the earlier campaigns that we've been running, they came in at 138, as high as, 221. So we definitely turned things around, and I'll kind of give you some backstory on how we did that. But so far, we've only spent $2,500 for the month, and the month is almost over for them. So 54 leads that have been generated, sub $50 per lead, which is pretty awesome. And like I mentioned before, that these are long form leads. So we're asking anywhere from 3 to 4 questions on the front of the lead form, detailing their case, some questions like that, and then their name, phone number, and email on the back end. Right before they hit submit. So it's anywhere from 7 to 8 questions that they're answering for sub $50, which is, it's pretty awesome. But you can tell some of the results here. We get this campaign here is getting, got 35 leads for $34.48 per lead. This one was 10 leads for $27.46. And I'm not too sure why I turned these off. It was probably a creative or a ad copy change. But the ones that we have running so far, we got 4 leads at $60.89, and this just started the other day on the 21st. And then this one started today. We got 1 lead in at $35.91. And really quickly is that this one has multiple ad sets in it, so it's just not one campaign. So actually this lead came in for, $8.95. So pretty rock solid there. But yeah, I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys. If you guys are in the personal injury space or legal space, and you're feeling discouraged because these leads are coming in very, very expensive, it's not impossible. It just takes some out of the box thinking. Switch the creative up, switch the ad copy up. Your targeting has a lot to do with it. But if you have any questions or need some help with it, my information will be in the description below. Feel free to shoot me a message on Facebook. That's the quickest way to get a hold of me. And look forward to helping you out, or at least helping those out who reach out. But hopefully this helps you guys. Take care.